GBPI spout sealing machine is suitable for automatic inserting and heat sealing of flexible packaging bags. It meets the different bag types: stand-up spout pouch, three-side sealing bag, corner spout pouch, penguin-shaped pouch with spout. Products are suitable for a variety industries: beverages, daily chemicals, pharmaceutical, and food. The main components of this machine are all made of aluminum and stainless steel. It meets the environmental and sanitary quality requirements of food and drug GMP. It's widely used in many industries, such as beverage, daily chemical, medicine, food. The working process of spout feeding, bag feeding, heat sealing and discharging is fully automatic, which saves labor and allows flexible control of orders. This machine, including spout feeding system, bag feeding system, heat sealing system and bag picking system, each component system is fully automatic. The bag feeding system adopts double station design. The production speed can reach 70 pieces per minute. The packaging size can be adjusted. The heat sealing system adopts step-by-step heating and cooling design for better product quality. GBPI has been recognized as High-Tech Enterprise, Software Certification Enterprise, and Specialized and New Enterprise. Our products have passed the CMC certification and obtained the license of manufacturing measuring instruments. With a number of domestic and foreign qualifications, including ISO certification, 3C certification, CE certification, etc. Ensures the versatility and authority of the instrument.